Are you looking for a natural way to turn your gray hair back to black? You can try this simple and natural remedy using curry leaves and coconut oil. Curry leaves are known for their potential to help darken hair color. Ingredients: a handful of fresh curry leaves, 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Instructions. Number 1. Preparation. Start by collecting a handful of fresh curry leaves. You can easily find these leaves at your local grocery store or market. Number 2. Heating the coconut oil. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in a small pan. Heat it gently until it becomes warm, but not too hot. You can do this by placing the pan on low heat for a few minutes. Number 3. Adding curry leaves. Once the coconut oil is warm, add the fresh curry leaves to the oil. Let them simmer together for a few minutes. This allows the beneficial compounds in the curry leaves to infuse into the coconut oil. Number 4. Cooling and straining. Turn off the heat and allow the mixture to cool down. Once it's cool, strain the oil to remove the curry leaves. You'll be left with the curry-infused coconut oil. Number 5. Application. Apply the oil to your hair and scalp. Massage it gently, ensuring that it reaches the roots and covers your hair from top to bottom. Number 6. Leave it on. Leave the oil on your hair for at least 30 minutes or longer if you prefer. Some people even leave it overnight for better results. Number 7. Rinse and shampoo. After the waiting period, rinse your hair thoroughly with water. Then, shampoo your hair as usual to remove the oil. Results may not be immediate, and it may take several applications over a few months to notice a difference in hair color. Be patient and consistent with this natural remedy. This natural remedy using curry leaves and coconut oil is a simple and cost-effective way to potentially darken gray hair. Regular use, along with a healthy lifestyle and good hair care practices, can help you achieve the hair color you desire naturally. Enjoy your journey to healthier, darker hair. Do you have any question related to this recipe? Please use the comment box. And thumbs up please.